When we traveled through Thailand, we couldn't miss one of the most famous landscapes. Its amazing islands in the south. Upon our arrival, we were captivated by those small rocks emerging from the sea, resembling shadows in a watercolor painting. From Koh Lanta, we went to famous diving sites to explore the vibrant marine life. And man, what an incredible experience it turned out to be. Water is omnipresent in this part of Thailand. With hundreds of islands, there is just one way to travel from one to another. Boats. And not just any boats. Long-tail boats. As the sun sets, a whole new experience unfolds. But I will keep that for another video.